Now, we shift our focus from data types to the operators used to work with those data values. Operators define how Excel, VBA, or any analytical tool processes information, performs calculations, and evaluates conditions. Understanding the main operator groups is essential for building formulas, logical expressions, and automated rules in our report. We begin with arithmetic operators, which are the basic mathematical symbols used to perform numeric calculations. These include addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, integer division, and exponentiation. They allow us to compute totals, differences, or percentages, and are the foundation of all numerical formulas. Next, we look at comparison operators, which are used to compare two values. These operators check whether something is equal, greater, smaller, or different. They also include special operators like for pattern matching or is for object comparison in VBA. Comparison results always evaluate to true or false, which makes them extremely useful in conditional formulas and logical tests. The third group is logical operators, which help combine or negate conditions. Operators such as AND, OR, NOT, and XOR allow us to build complex logical rules by combining multiple expressions. They are heavily used in if statements, filtering logic, and any scenario that requires evaluating multiple conditions at once. Another important category is string operators, with the main operator being the ampersand. It allows us to concatenate or join text values. This is commonly used to create labels, merge names, build dynamic messages, or construct file paths. Finally, we have assignment operators, which are used to assign values. The standard equals sign equals assigns a value to a variable or cell. For example, numbers, text, results of expressions, or Boolean values. The set operator, on the other hand, is used exclusively to assign object references. This includes objects such as ranges, worksheets, workbooks, or custom class objects in VBA. Without set, VBA would not know that we intend to store a reference to an object rather than a simple value. To sum up, each group of operators serves a specific purpose: performing calculations, comparing values, building logical conditions, manipulating text, or assigning results. Mastering these operators gives you full control over formulas, scripts, and automation, enabling you to create more dynamic, powerful, and intelligent solutions in Excel.